Hey everybody, I am walking with Angie today and she geocaches, which I've never done. So we found one here at this beautiful church and I'm gonna turn you around and she's gonna show you like the geocache that we found. Okay, Angie.
Hi. Rambling Gal, that's my name.
Rambling Gal.
All right, so here's where it led me.
So yeah, so that's where her app led her on the geocache, and there's a little lizard guy inside.
And there's the geocache.
It's in his rear end. But there's a paper in there, right?
Yes.
And then what do you do?
And then you sign your geocache name and the date that you found it.
Okay.
And then you make sure you return it exactly how you found it.
Okay.
And then you record it on an app.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Perfect. All right. So when we find the next one, hopefully when we're together, we only have a couple days left, we'll do one from beginning to end. So the excitement will be all the way through.
Bye!